Hi, sweet friends. Welcome back to my amazing ideas today. We're making a DIY Cinnamaroll themed school supplies set that's going to make your backpack 100% more adorable. Let's jump into this kawaii craft fest. Your own custom Cinnamaroll school supplies set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more kawaii crafts. See you next time.